Where are you living at, Whitney?
Whitney, I live in Columbus.
What's your address?
Oh God. Alright, there's my passports. This is it.
No, those are photos, and it looks like your medical card. Do you care?
I'm on my way up there now, but there's a lady in the lobby. She's drinking. She's grabbing my customer's boob. She's calling my customer fat AF, and my employee, she's in there screaming at the top of her lungs. But I guess she's, like, out there, like, harassing, like, grabbing people's boobs and stuff that are our customers in there. They asked her to leave. My employees asked her to leave. She said no, started calling them fat and yelling at the top of her lungs.
Female, white, what?
Blonde hair, multicolored shirt, blue jeans. Inside the little cigars.
Don't make me drag you, bitch. Oh, she's right there. Let's go. Go.
Oh shit.
Go.
It's the police. Time to go. They don't want you here.
Cool. This shit is cool. This shit is cool. Really, yeah. You went right in the corner.
You gotta get out.
It's fun. This was fun shit.
Talk to them and see if they want anything done.
Oh, it's fun. This was fun. If we can.
Okay, hold on. She's gonna tell you can't come back.
Step out here. All you have to do is tell her that she's not welcome back here.
Alright, you can't come back here. Alright.
Listen, she's got to tell you something.
You can't come back here.
Nope, you can't go yet. Hold up.
Have a seat on the curb. You got your ID?
I sure do. I mean,
Guess what? Is that your name?
this shit is funny shit. Yeah, I do.
That's not your ID. I need your Ohio ID or a passport.
I mean,
Where are you living at, Whitney?
Whitney, I live in Columbus.
What's your address?
Oh God. Alright, there's my passports. This is it.
No, those are photos, and it looks like your medical card. Do you care if I check your wallet for your ID?
You're a fucking retard.
I'll help ya.
You're a fucking immigrant from India.
Need help? There we go. Thank you.
Thank you.
State Route 160 still where you're at?
Yeah.
Yeah? How'd you get over here?
I mean, I got tortured.
You get a ride over here?
Tortured.
Where are you living at? Do you have a phone number?
No, really not necessarily, but I'll ride around the police car. I'll ride around with you guys for a while. I mean, I'll ride around for you guys. I mean,
Well, where can we take you?
I'm a detective.
You're a detective?
I'm joking now.
What's your phone number?
I'm 2170 White Road.
100?
100%. I'll ride around with you guys.
What's the last four? 217, 100,
2170 White Road. I'll ride around with you guys for a little bit.
2170?
Yeah, I'll ride around with you guys for a little bit. I can't be a detective. This shit is
Well, I know
stupid.
you can't be a detective. You have to be sober.
I mean, joking.
You want to go to Netcare?
I'll ride around with you guys for a while. I'll ride around. Yeah,
Okay, well just wait. Do you have warrants?
No, I know. I'll ride around.
Can you shut up your music for me so we can give you a ride?
Yeah. I'll ride around. I can't fucking solve all the murders. God, I can't solve all the murders and fucking...
You're alright. You're just one person.
I can't solve all the murders.
Whitney, you're okay. Are you wanting to hurt yourself, Whitney?
No, no.
No?
Okay.
Are you eating and sleeping okay?
Yep. Also,
Yep.
I'll solve all the murders.
Okay.
Let's just go.
Well, hold on,
Let's
hold
go.
on, hold
Let's
on.
fucking
Hold
go.
on.
Let's go.
All right, walk to the car then.
Go. I can't solve every murder in Gallup. I can't solve them all. Ever.
Where do you want to take her? Neck care?
I'll solve all of the murders.
I don't think we can't leave her here.
We'll solve all the murders.
Okay, hold on.
Well,
Do you have warrants, Whitney?
No.
No?
sure.
Nope.
I don't know about that one, Chief.
You're a retard.
We'll put your bag in the back, okay?
Is your middle name Nicole Whitney?
Let's just solve all the murders.
Is your name Nicole?
Let's solve all the murders.
Is your middle name Nicole?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have anything in your pockets since we're going to put you in the back?
I mean, I need to solve all the murders in
Okay.
Gallup.
Here, have a seat.
Okay.
You want to verify first before I deal with this?
I can solve all the murders.
What's the possible for? Watch your head.
I mean, I have to solve all the fucking murders.
Hold on.
I have to solve all the fucking murders.
I'm going to put this in the trunk, okay?
I have to.
I'm putting your bag in the trunk, okay, Whitney? Actually, I'm going to put it up front first. Where's it out of?
Are they in custody? Are there any additional charges?
She's in custody. No fresh charges.
Where's it out of?
Galapagos? That's our address. Pick a breeze of one.
So maybe not. Do you have any locals?
She gave you her driver's license number?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Well, she gave me her wallet because she gave me her passport, which was a picture of a child, and then she gave me her identification, which was a picture of another child, and then she gave me her ID, which was her insurance card. So I said, "Can I have your wallet?" She's like, "Here you go." She's like staring into the back.
She's writing my report for me.
I know because I
Later, a little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, bye.
One to Riverside Stable, you're
They
following.
do want her. They're sending the hit back. They had an issue with a whole bunch of inmates, so that's why they took a little while.
It's not the riot. They do want her though.
Yeah.
Copy that transfer.
All right.
Not the pinkies.
All right, step on out, Whitney.
I don't want to solve it.
You don't want to
Face
solve
this
it?
sticker right here for me.
Okay, let's solve it.
You got some warrants, Whitney, okay? So we're gonna have to take you down. Take you down.
To the slammer.
Yeah.
slammers.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on, she's got.
This will be cool. This will be cool.
Hold on.
Is that us?
No, that was 383. Hold on.
Whitney. Easy, easy, girl.
I'm a detective.
I know, but even detectives sometimes have warrants.
Is there? That's your bag up there, right? There's nothing. There's nothing naughty in there, right?
I'm a detective.
Okay.
I gotta do your search since we're gonna. Do you wanna? I can't hear what they're yelling in there.
Yeah.
Somebody's
I'm a
working.
detective.
Step out.
Yeah.
I'm a detective.
I know.
mean,
Did you get these jeans from Target? Because I think I have these same jeans.
I'm a detective. I mean, this shit. These police just want to fuck me. I'm going to jail my door too.
Oh, we don't know yet. They'll either want a relay or they'll want us to take you to the pike.
I just want to get. I just want to be a detective. I mean, I'm a detective.
Face the sticker for me, Whitney. Hold on. Hold on. What are you doing? You can stand up. Face this sticker right here. Right here. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Is there anything in your pants?
I know stupid and shit.
It's okay. It looks fine to me. You don't have anything in your bra, right, Whitney?
I mean, why would I have something in my bra?
Don't fall over.
So you get the authorities trying to make that out.
Retard shit.
Here, let me try and get your seatbelt. Lean back for me, Whitney.
Thank you.
Where am I going today?
Well, we're gonna go to some jail. I just don't know which one yet.
I have to go to a jail?
Yeah.
Oh, warrants, Whitney.
Man.
Did you have a couple pina coladas?
Ooh, that's not good.
Alright, a couple.
A couple? How many is a couple for you? Because I think a couple's different, right?
12.
I don't know, maybe 24.
25. You got a 24 pack of pina coladas. Holy cow, girl.
That sounds like a good time.
Yes.
What do? You put a song in my head.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I can tell
Is that Sia or
Saya.
Sia? Oh, sorry, my bad. How's that go again?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Can you hit the high note?
I can probably.
Try it.
Give me a little taste.
Why do you want to taste this shit?
No,
I wanna-
Stupid.
I want to hear it. If you said you could hit the high note, be about it.
I mean, I can't, but
You gotta sing it. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier.
I'm gonna sing from the chandelier. The chandelier. I'm flying like a bird of the night. You'll see the chandelier in the night. I'm gonna fly.
Are you?
Oh shit. I mean,
I think I went to one of your concerts once.
you probably did.
I think I paid like $50. Does that sound right?
You probably did.
Do you play any instruments, Whitney?
You know, like,
Down in tennis.
I play the mandolin.
The mandolin?
I mean, in a flute. You guys are
I think the
stupid.
mandolin like you chop veggies. You are too funny. You are too funny.
You got me crying, Whitney. You
I
play the
play
mandolin?
the mandolin.
Oh.
Oh, jeez. I'm not laughing that hard in a while.
Oh.
That's good shit.
And the flute, you said? That's impressive. How long you been playing them?
I mean, it's a little bit.
How long you been playing instruments, Whitney?
I mean, sometimes.
Sometime? Like, give me
I did it since a kid.
since a kid. When'd you stop?
When I was a kid.
Whitney, are you feeling a little groggy? I'm feeling a little groggy. That's good shit, Whitney. That is good shit.
I did this.
I think we're having fun.
This is my favorite.
I think we're having a good time.
Just
Despite the circumstances.
Yeah, I mean, we can ignore the fact that you're going to jail, but we've had a blast, Whitney.
We seem fun. I'm having a lot of fun. You're the most fun I've had in a long time. We should be friends after.